Marriage means many things. It is a commitment to each other, to accept the other person in his or her entirety as a companion, a lover, and a friend. Today, you will proclaim your love for each other, and the words spoken here will be the cornerstone for your future life together. Eve, Max, here we are at your wedding. It is important to remember that to truly love someone, you want their success, their happiness, and everything that is best for them, and that this relationship is entered into to the exclusion of all others and is intended to last a lifetime.
I love you 'cause you're a piece of my heart. Whatever you do, wherever you are, no matter the time, the place, near or far, in all the good and all that's hard, I love you 'cause you're a piece of my heart.
Now, Max and Eve, keep looking at each other and think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. What's going to be different 10 years from now? Can you picture where you will be 30 years from now?
Whatever you do, wherever you are, no matter the time, the place, near or far, in all the good and all that's hard, I love you 'cause you're a piece of my heart.
Wedding rings are made precious by our wearing them. Your rings say that even in your uniqueness, you have chosen to be bound together.
With this ring, we forge a new path on our venture together.
I will always love you.
Now you'll feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter for the other. Now you'll feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other. Now there'll be no loneliness, for each of you will be companion to the other. Now you are two persons, but there is only one life before you. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and through all the years. May happiness be your companion, and your days together be good and long upon the earth. Now for the best part. As you, Eve, and you, Max, have consented to legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention before these witnesses and in my presence, now upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.